So now let's summarize. When we first open our chart, we want to go immediately to our line chart, and we want to ask ourselves, where is the last breakout? If we're opening our chart here where we are now, we see this is the point of the last breakout. Then we want to establish where is the trend and where did it begin. We want to locate the break or trend break, and that is the first break that changed the trend. And when we do that on this particular chart, we see there's a break here beginning an uptrend, and there is a break here and it began a downtrend, but we're not sure yet until we get a lower high here. So, and if we go back before that, we have a trend break here from the trend is up and the trend started down, and we know it's down because we have a lower low and a lower high. We have a lower low and a lower high here. But then just at this point here, even when we look here, we have a higher high than this high, but that still does not change the trend that started down here. Why? Because we don't have a higher bottom. We don't have a higher bottom. We have price moving above this high, but we still don't want to go long. The trend is still short. Now when it turned and moved down here and stopped, now we have a higher bottom. So we have the potential here for this downtrend here to reverse back up to an uptrend. But so now we have the higher high here, we have the higher low here. We have the higher low here because this low is higher than this low, and we would need to see a higher high right here. And if we had gotten a higher high right here, then that trend is up. But we didn't. What did we get? We got a lower high here, and then we got a lower low. Once it broke below here again, we have a lower low, and that revalidates this downtrend is still in effect here. You understand? And we know that if the trend is down, we want to go short. So at this point here, we see that we're in a downtrend because we have a lower high here. This high is lower than this high. Okay, and we also have a lower low here because this low is lower than this low. So once we break this low here, we are still in our downtrend. The downtrend has been confirmed once again. Where do we want to place our stop? We want to place our stop above the very first level of resistance because we're going short. If we were going long, say we went here, we went long, we want to place our stop below the very first level of support. So if you're going long, your stop goes below support. If you're going short, your stop goes below resistance. Again, if you're going long, your stop goes below support. If you're going short, your stop goes above resistance. If you're going short, your stop goes above resistance. Where would we take targets? At the very next support or resistance level. If we're going short, if we went short here, we want to set our target down here. Sorry about that. We want to set our target down here at the breakout point. If we go low, if we go short here, we want to set our target here at the very next level of support. If we went long here, where would we want to take profit? Well, if we went long here, first thing we would do is, where is the next level of resistance? And we look over here, it would be here. So if we went short, if we went long here, we want to take profits here. Then if price closed above here, then we would want to go long again, and then we would take our profit here. And see, this is what I mean by the man climbing the stairs step by step. You have small steps or baby steps, which are the individual bars, and then you have the strides or full strides, which are the trend or support and resistance. So from here to here, that's one full step down. From here to here, that's one full step down. From here to here, that's one full step down. So you want to take your profits in stages and then re-enter on the break of the next step. So you will always take your profit at that support level or that resistance level, depending on whether you went long or short. You will take it at the very next level and wait for the break of that next level. And that'll do it. Thank you very much.